In Microgenn HMS, for entering account ledger, click on to master, select room info. Under that, select account master. Click add for adding account ledger. Click edit for editing account ledger and update. For entering head name, click on to master, select room info. Under that, select account credit head. You can only edit the account credit head and map the ledger and update. In the Tally app, for creating ledger, select Accounts Info. Under that, select Ledgers. Click on to create under the type of ledger you wish to create. Enter the name. The entered name should be same as the credit account head created in Microgenn HMS. To fill under option, choose from the list of groups. Enter the percentage of calculation, method of calculation. Click Accept to save. In Microgenn Tally app, for entering account ledger, click on to Masters and select Account Ledger. If the required option is not present in the expense ledger, for adding it, go to Microgenn HMS, click on to Master, select Room Info. Under that, select Account Master. Click Add to add the account ledger and save. The account ledger is saved successfully. Now in Microgenn Tally app, under Expense Ledger, the newly added account ledger will be shown. Edit the last posted date and click on to Save option. Account ledger is created. In Microgenn Tally app, for making Tally export, click on to FO Export, select FO Vouchers. Verify the date and click Save option. Tally file exported successfully. Microgenn HMS Master, Tally Ledger Creation, Tally Export in Microgenn Tally app has been depicted successfully. Thank you.